I'm talking to you, Philippines. Let me say this to you. Maraming krisis na dadanasin pa ang Pilipinas. I don't like that. I hate to say this because I love my nation, our nation. But let me say this, it will come. At para hindi ka maapektuhan Pilipinas, this is the word of the Lord for you. Hear this a million times. Isigaw mo araw-araw na kay Kristo ka o wala para maligtas ka. Jesus is my shield. Ayan ang safety mo. Jesus must be your shield. At hindi lang ikaw, Pilipinas, ang buong body of Christ dapat isigaw mo sa ayaw mo sa gusto, pero dapat gustuhin mo para ma-exempted ka sa maraming problema ang gagawin ng diablo sa buhay mo. Jesus is your shield.